Hello and welcome to lesson 3 of the Grade 2 tutor book. In this lesson we're going to learn about the common time signature and the cut common time signature. We're going to learn a little bit more about simple time signatures, and also we're going to start to learn about compound time signatures. So the first thing we're going to see is the common time signature and the cut common time signature. So when you get the seat like this is another way of writing 4/4, and it stands for common time, which is 4 crotchets in a bar. So your first task is to have a practice of writing some of those C signs within this piece of music there. Then it goes on to the C sign with a line through. This stands for 2 minims in a bar, and it's called cut common time. So the exercise underneath says draw the treble clef and then practice writing some cut common time signatures on the stave below. And then we move on to showing you the difference between a 2/4 time and a 2/2 time. So remember, as a bit of revision, the top number tells you how many notes you've got, and the bottom number tells you what kind of note. So in a 2/4 time, that's 2 crotchets in a bar, because the 4 at the bottom stands for crotchets. But when you get a 2/2, it means 2 minims in a bar, because you've got the minim signified by the bottom 2. So then you've got a 4/2, you see, so that stands for 4 minims in a bar. Now another simple time signature is the 3/8. Now 3/8 stands for 3 quavers in a bar. So when you get an 8 at the bottom, that signifies quavers. So on the next page here, you've got 6 exercises to do, and you've got 6 time signatures. And basically you've got to explain what all these time signatures mean in the boxes which are shown here. Then we go on to having a look at the compound time signature in a little bit more depth. So far we've learned the following time signatures. You've learned 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, the common time signature and the cut common time signature. So 2/4 is known as simple duple because there's 2 of them and it's a simple time signature. 3/4 is known as simple triple because there's 3 of them and it's a simple time signature. 4/4 is known as simple quadruple as there's 4 of them and it's a simple time signature. Now when it comes on to the compound time signatures, all you've got to remember is that compound means dotted. So in a 6/8 time, you end up with 2 dotted crotchets in a bar. So a 6/8 time is known as compound duple, dotted note and 2 of them. So there you have a chance to write the dotted crotchets in the compound time signature on the stave below. Now the more astute of you will have noticed that in a 6/8 time the quavers are grouped in 3s, not in 2s, because remember, to get a dotted crotchet you've got to have 3 quavers in. So that's why in a 6/8 time quavers are always grouped in 3s and not 2s, and that's how you see the difference between a simple time signature and a compound. So then you have a chance to actually practice writing some of those quavers in there. And then here you've got a little exercise which says, give examples of the following time signatures. And it says compound duple, simple triple, simple duple and simple quadruple. And that completes lesson 3 of the tutor book.